Oh, look at that little ship.
It's our ship.
Yay! So now we gotta go get Magna boots?
I guess.
Alright. Where do we go for that? Blarg Depot?
Okay, we can either go here to get the... Whoop, not the video. Okay, there to get the helmet, or here and search the laboratories. Which I guess this is your pick for your planet.
Okay. I'll go... I want the helmet, because I want to look cool.
Okay, blast off!
Let's go. And...
Right into the war zone.
Yes. It's okay. I'm gonna play Battlefront. Doesn't that sound fun? Or, not the first one. Weren't you? I thought you liked Battlefront 2.
Oh, Star Wars Battlefront?
Yes!
Yes.
Not Battlefield.
Yeah.
Is that what you were thinking?
For a moment, yeah.
I did like that. Oh my god. Did I ever tell you the story about why am I playing Battlefield Vietnam with the helicopter?
Not necessarily. Probably, but I don't remember because you got a lot of stories for Battlefront or Battlefield.
Yeah. Okay, so... Whoa. Anyways, pretty much Wyatt and I were playing Battlefield Vietnam back when I used to go to like CAS computers and stuff.
Yeah.
And we were trying to find something to play, and we ended up playing Battlefield Vietnam.
Okay.
And we're learning, and I have played it previously to this, but Wyatt
I think that's a generator.
Where?
Turn around, right there.
Oh, okay. Come here, you stupid thing. So Wyatt and I, you know, we decided to play that. And how do I get into this? Just jump in. Okay. And how do I shoot?
The attack button, I guess.
Oh. Okay. So Wyatt's trying to learn to fly the helicopters, and I'm doing the objectives, capturing the points and stuff. Then I saw Wyatt, so I run over. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to jump in the helicopter with him. So I tell him, like, hey, when you jump out, whenever you get to a base or whatever, let me know. Because I was just looking around and stuff in the passenger seat, and like, so Wyatt, where are you going? No answer. And I noticed that we're getting really close to the trees. I'm like, Wyatt, what are you doing? And then I look at the little, there's like an icon that shows you all the spaces available in the helicopter and which ones are occupied. And I noticed the driver seat is empty. And I'm like, Wyatt, what the hell? When did you jump out? And he's completely oblivious. He's like, oh, I forgot. And next thing I know, I'm sitting there pushing the jump out button, and I crash right into a tree. It was terrible. And then he's just like, oh, my bad. Like, no, why didn't you just tell me? Like, just tell me that you were jumping out. But is that hard? No. Where do we go?
Okay, it's either you use that thing to shoot the door, or there's something you have to look up to on that ledge.
That door right there?
Yeah.
Okay.
That works.
Alrighty. Oh, bombs, apparently.
And you're dead.
Oh, why wouldn't they get away from me? I'm probably shoot them.
Did we check for a new weapon yet?
I didn't check here. You did it the other place.
I got some great bargains for you today.
Apparently they added something. Because now it's looping.
Is it this?
No. Wait, no, it is the Walloper.
What does it even
Wallop.
do? I don't need it. Okay, this is where we go, I guess.
Hey, you can actually get Battlefield for off Steam for pretty cheap.
Which one?
Or Battlefront, too.
Oh, yeah.
And they just lost online capability, so it's LAN only for it.
Yeah.
But still, it would be fun.
I do like Battlefield.
Especially since the bots were stupid enough but plentiful enough to make a difference.
Yeah. I just always liked it.
Only thing I don't like, though, is Galactic Conquest is single player only on the PC version.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wait, how do I switch weapons?
Triangle?
Oh. Oh, yeah. Okay. What's this thing? Oh. This environment. Ow. Ow!
You're just getting your shit rocked here.
I don't know how to kill those little ball things.
I think you either keep hitting them enough, or probably if you kill them normally, they don't blow up like that.
Right. I thought that thing was about to wall jump at me. Like, holy noodles. Okay.
And there's more right.
Oh, yep. That is what you do. You just kind of whack it. till
Fast
it's
enough
dead.
and hard enough.
That sounds terrible.
Hard enough and fast enough.
Yeah. No. Naughty, naughty. Oh, come on. Out of my way. Alright, we got this. We got this.
I actually do have a few stories from Battlefield or Battlefront 2.
Oh, yeah? And what stories might those be?
Like, there was one time me and Zach actually thought the bots or AI were actually learning how to beat us.
Really?
Yeah.
And why is that?
Okay, because Galactic Conquest, that was like my favorite mode, because
Right.
you actually got to build up while expanding.
Yeah.
Because, I don't remember what the name of the planet was, but it's the one map where it's the circle,
Mm-hmm.
with the one base in the middle that you only can access from directly north and south.
Okay. There we go. That was
Which,
easier.
me and Zach was like, one time, we pretty much won by taking the entire outer circle, then everyone just focused the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Since normally the bots just rush the middle and that's all they really did.
Yeah.
Those guys are just running into...
Oh, okay.
And apparently you are too.
Well, of
Running
course,
right into it.
monkey see, monkey do.
Where'd that one come from?
I don't know. Wait, guess who's there?
Why don't you buy ammo?
Oh yeah. Because I don't want to buy ammo right
Hi there, Fuzzball.
here. Yeah. No, that's Devastator ammo.
That's it.
Did I literally just purchase one bullet?
You purchased one bullet.
Okay. Give me. I want max ammo. And what is it? One bullet
Yeah.
per.
Yep, one bullet per bullet.
Oh.
So nothing that'll break the bank. So
Please.
as it kept going,
Yeah.
so we pretty much like completely wiped that and beat that map. So without a contest.
Yeah. Oh.
Then like in the next battle was immediately the same planet, only this time they were attacking us.
Yeah.
So I was like, okay, we'll just do the same strategy and we'll win.
Right.
It completely backfired in the most spectacular way possible.
Okay.
Whereas like every base had like one or two snipers that would kill us the moment we got close.
Okay.
I mean, just think about that. Like, you couldn't go through it without a hitch on a PS2 game. It's like, do the same strategy, they hard counter you beyond belief.
Oh shit. I just want that guy to not be alive. There. That's nice. I think I left a life over here, didn't I? Oh, of course not.
Maybe it's further to the side.
No, I always grab it.
Okay.
Because I just grab everything. I don't think so.
Well, even if you break it, you wouldn't have grabbed it unless you were actually hurt.
Oh. Okay. Oh, that thing's at least dead. Oh, goodness. Of course. Why are those things such problems for me? Oh, God. Die. Oh,
That was close.
I know. Okay. I gotta get rid of these, so where's...
I think you can jump them or something. Or bombs. Bombs work.
Yes. Yeah. Swing shot. I don't need that. I don't want. I want to go this way. Okay. Stupid bombs.
There's another one.
Yeah.
Hey, look, platforming. Your favorite.
Yeah. I hated that stupid water running.
That was so hilarious.
Is there a bad guy here somewhere? No? No? Okay, what am I shooting?
The
I know I
door?
gotta shoot that door, but...
I think that's just it. It's just there to break the door open.
Oops. Oh, that's not even the right door.
You're gonna... It'll be so bad if you die immediately as you step through and have to start all over.
Oh, that'd be dumb. Where is the nearest checkpoint?
I don't know. The checkpoints are not marked.
It just kinda...
It just dings it whenever you pass by.
Aw. That's right, like I said...
Hey! You almost killed yourself!
Well, of course. That, I mean, the most dangerous thing in any video game is walking off ledges.
Except for Halo. That belongs to the hunters.
Yes. Ooh.
Elevator.
Uh-oh. Just die.
Health!
Life! Okay, life is not as important as getting rid of these bombs! Oh.
You regret that.
No! Why is this world so hard? What? Is there something else that kills bombs faster?
A gun, maybe?
No, it doesn't.
Maybe you could try the bomb glove.
Yeah, I guess. There. Okay, I got it this time. Open door. Okay, we're gonna go through here. Select bomb glove. Okay, well with these ones we don't really care about because these guys are easy.
That was close.
Oh, didn't even need it. Okay. Uh-oh. Yes.
At least you got that one health degree. There you go.
Yay. Okay. No, I wanna... Why? Why is that... Oh, that's right. I got this thing.
And also the...
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Stupid mousers.
Okay, you want me to try and get you to that point?
No. I know how to do this. Okay. I got this.
If you want, you can buy a weapon if you'd like. Because we already got the weapon we need.
Which one's that?
It was the Devastator.
Oh, okay. No, I got this. Stupid mousers. Yeah, I don't think that's what they are, but I don't care.
They look just like it.
Yeah.
Turns out the final boss, Drax turns into the Shredder.
Yeah. That would be a little... That'd be a little surprise. Stupid bombs. Yeah, you guys run in there. Maybe I'll get some help. Oh, there it is. Phew. Give that.
Running towards the camera directly is the safest path to find pits.
Yes, it is. And that's why I did it. There we go. Look at that. Look much better, actually. I like how all those missed. Okay. And that worked. And we'll go this way. What the? Get away from me. Okay, and we'll go over here. And get rid of this guy. Whee! And almost fall off the edge.
Again.
And we'll kill this guy. Get out of there. Go over this way. Oh. Okay. I hate that. Why does he do his little
Helicopter?
Yeah. Okay.
I like how there's just a door, that thick door blocking a tiny elevator.
Yeah, I know. You know, I want to know who the architect is that makes these places for some of these villains, because...
Yeah, this is such a brilliantly smart...
I guess technically, I don't know if this place is really a villainous place, just...
But you'd think that they would not put a turret capable of shooting down your own door that is left unguarded.
Yeah. Okay.
It at least helped a bit.
I didn't like that. Okay, let's do any more life? No?
Nope.
Okay. We'll just go this way now.
And hope for more health.
Yes. Hopefully. Oh god.
Health!
Yeah, but look at all the bombs.
I just see that one guy peeking out.
Okay.
That is one silent killer. His gun made literally no sound.
At all. What the heck? All I wanted to... No, you stupid camera! Go the way I want you to. Okay.
There's quite a few guys here.
I guess I'm just gonna use my acrobatics skill. Oh my god, every time I want the camera to turn, it goes the wrong way. Okay. Stop this now.
Even though this guy immediately crossed the path.
Okay.
Or not.
How do I... Okay. There.
And now just one guy.
Okay. Okay. We can do this. Now jump over there. Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I gotta go past these guys.
But you could probably snipe.
Okay. Okay.
You wanna try the Devastator? Because that probably has better range.
Why is there two...
Lock on. I'd say that's a good purchase.
Yeah. Now I'm gonna run in. Oh, no! No.
Oh god.
No. Naughty. Bad.
An immediate ambush. You figure they would have reacted?
Where'd they go?
Oh god, they went into hiding.
That's not good. Why? Why won't you just... No, I don't want the whoosh gun. Oh,
That's the Devastator.
oh okay. I thought that was a sucky gun. Come on. Yes.
And the one on the other side of the room.
Davis. Oh, no. Okay. How do I... Just turn the way I want you to. You stupid. Whatever you're shooting at. I don't know.
You got someone.
Yeah.
I think you got the closer one too. It missed.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah!
I'm excited now. Okay, let's go get all your bolts. Okay. Why is there no light here? Is there a checkpoint anywhere here?
I don't know.
Okay.
This is so horrible. This is painful.
Okay. So, destroy these things, I guess?
If you want.
Maybe there might be a golden bolt in them or something crazy. Guess not. That's stupid. Okay. Enemies. Okay. Was there one over here?
Wait, it was hitting something. Oh, just boxes. Wait, there's a door there. Is that a door?
I don't think so.
No, it's not.
I got bomb gloves. I'm just looking for the golden bolts. Any? No, no.
I'll be looking for the health.
Oh, yeah, give me all your money. Okay. Now let's go be scared out here. Enemy?
Yep.
Die. Ambushers?
Health.
Help! But it could be an ambush. Okay. Okay, we're good. We got at least one health.
I think this might be a... Is this gonna be a cutscene?
I don't know. I think we gotta go flying off that rail. Okay, die.
God.
Or maybe we just go this direction.
Probably go that way. Wait, that's a gadget! And health!
I'm scared.
I think it probably will be safe since it's a pickup thing.
It's the helmet.
Yay!
This is cool.
A lot of health.
You have acquired a pilot's helmet, manufactured by the Blarg. It will allow you to fly jet fighters via neutral something.
Neural indication?
Oh, neural. I barely saw the last couple words, so I just said neutral.
Jimmy Neutron.
I'm supposed to go this way?
And you're back at the start.
No. Okay.
Yep, it was a full circle.
So where do I use the pilot's helmet?
I think it's gonna be one of those story-driven items.
Come here. Oh, I gotta get rid of it. Stupid monsters. So I don't use it here again?
I guess.
Wait, what's this? Over here, these pads.
I think it's just decoration.
So you don't end up going that way? Okay. I guess let's go this way. There. Whoop.
They're like ammo boxes that were sitting there the whole time and never used.
Yay! Oh, here's more. Coins! I mean, bolts! Hey, what's up there?
A golden bolt!
How do I get it? Maybe jump on top of our ship? Me jump on our ship!
Wait, check the map. Because there may actually...
This map?
There's other routes that we don't have access to.
Oh. I knew there was a golden bolt somewhere. Okay.
So,
Let's get
no
out
way
of
of getting it now.
Shit. Alright, your turn.